NAB show in Las Vegas. Hi, I'm Ashley Blankenship. We're here at the 2016 NAB show in Las Vegas. Joining me is Kurt Michel from IneoQuest. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Ashley.
Kurt, could you just tell us a little bit about IneoQuest?
Sure. IneoQuest is a well-known service assurance company that started in the test and measurement market, focused on IPTV. But since then, we have this massive explosion in over-the-top streaming types of video, and IneoQuest is innovating in that space now to provide end-to-end solutions so that we can measure the over-the-top internet-based streaming video in the same ways that broadcasters were used to in the broadcasting world.
So you have a great booth here. We notice a lot of new things. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, we basically have relaunched the brand. We've changed the logo. We have a completely new look and feel. And the reason is we're really trying to access a broader base of customers. We still love our broadcast customers and our network operator customers, but we want to make ourselves more accessible to the people who do the content itself and who want to publish that content to groups of viewers. And maybe they don't even have a network, but they do need to know if their viewers are getting the content the way they intended.
Could you tell me a little bit more about the Focus platform?
Sure, I'd love to. The Focus platform is basically the name for our new portfolio of products. And the portfolio of products is based on collecting key metrics or the performance of both the performance of the network and the behavior of the viewers in response to the quality of video that they're receiving. And this is where you have to be able to measure things end to end. If you can't measure things end to end across the network, then it's almost like you're blind. If you're a video provider, you can't run your business without that visibility. And so what we did with the Focus platform is we built on top of our, over a decade, 15 years in fact, of expertise. We took the techniques and things that we learned from doing IPTV, and we started to apply them to OTT streaming video. Now what we have is some very simple to understand names. We have the Inspector family, and that's the job of inspecting content. We have the Surveyor product family, and those products survey the network performance. And then we have the Spectator product family, and that job is done by software in the endpoints, and they actually observe what the viewers are watching and their response and how long they watch for and answer a lot of questions. All of this information across the network is then fed up into what we call the IQ engines, where it's all correlated and processed to provide a comprehensive end-to-end view of the video business.
So many new things. What can we expect in the future?
More of the software as a service-based offerings. So the first offering that we have that's built on top of that platform is called Focus on Events. And let's say you're somebody who's going to run an over-the-top event. It's going to be a live streaming event, and you want to be sure that the network is going to deliver your content when that time comes. Well, we can do pre-testing for you using cloud-based assets. And it's pretty much a pay-as-you-go model. Then when the event goes on, you can monitor how that event is going and understand if your CDN is performing properly, if your players are performing properly, and look at things like geographic dispersion and if you're having point problems anywhere. You can also understand if your encoders are actually putting that content together in the live stream in the way that you're expecting.
Many things. So for people who can't be here, is there a website somewhere they can go to see more, learn more?
Sure. We just launched a brand new website when we launched here on Monday with the new logo. The new website is the same name, www.IneoQuest.com, but when you go there, you're going to see a lot of changes, and it's very accessible to a much broader group of customers.
Well, everyone will definitely have to check that out. Thank you so much for talking to us, Kurt.
Thank you, Ashley.
I'm Ashley Blankenship with InBroadcast.